Jamil, could you tell me what you've done exactly for the property agency in leads directions and or the leads funnels, and how you described the fields in cart lead and deal leads, and also calculation, fields calculation based on data on other fields. So could you start with leads, please?
We have done some tasks for this agency. First, this will rename standard labels for in top menu of CRM. For example, leads, we have changed to orders, deals to objects, and other. Also, we hide some interface elements and change interfaces. We can add buttons like this or like these, additional buttons with additional logics in CRM entities. Next, they can add different lead cards for different pipelines. For example, when we add new, we can change lead type, and the different fields will be displayed on the lead card.
So let me repeat you. So you mean that based on the lead direction which you choose here,
we add field and call them and call it lead direction here.
So you got
and
another.
And when we change value here,
we got another deal type. We got another deal lead, another actually type of a leads card. So you got a different data, you got different drop downs, and actually this is a completely another leads card. Because in standard leads card in Bitrix, you got only one type. So you got, if you define it, I mean defined fields, defined drop down, you define some settings, it will never change. But currently, what you've done exactly, when you select type of the direction, type of the lead, you got completely another lead card, right?
Yes, we can hide or show different fields or different sections. Like here in this direction, you see only two sections, and if you change direction, you will see 10 sections with different types of fields.
Okay, let's discuss that lead card. For example, you go to regions. So we got regions Moscow, region. For example, you will select Moscow. Could you select that, please? So we have regions of Moscow and metro stations in Moscow as well. But if you will change to region Moscow, so this region Moscow disappeared, but you got another sections, another fields which you can fill in.
Yes, there is some logics that changed based on what value we select from this drop-down menu.
Okay, good.
Okay, also one, when we fill some field
with some data.
Yes, when we insert some data in different fields, we can calculate some fields automatically. For example, here I add value in this field,
which is mean rent rate, right?
So, yes, rent rate, and here is field rent for 1 square meter
Square
per year,
meters.
it
Okay.
calculated automatically.
So you put here a rate or rent rate, and that field automatically calculate how much is that cost for 1 square meters per year.
Per year, yes.
Okay. So this
you
type
can,
of
you can
fields,
hear
yeah.
that I feel value, I feel some value, and another field calculated automatically in real time without clicking on save button.
Yes, exactly, because previously what happened is that you can't do that such calculation in Bitrix, but before to do that calculation you should put data inside of fields, click save, and after that calculation will be done, because you
After
will
that, refresh the page.
refresh your page. Yeah, I mean you can refresh your page just to see the data, but calculation done, but I mean you run the business process when you click and save. But currently, because
Yes.
you use a JavaScript, JavaScript do calculation automatically, because you done JavaScript and you are connected to fields inside of a Bitrix, I mean in database, and do the calculation, right?
Mm-hmm. Right.